How to use Poshmark Closet Clear Out feature. Poshmark's Closet Clear Out (CCO) is a promotional event usually held on Fridays and Sundays, where sellers drop the price of the items by at least 10% to trigger a special temporary shipping discount for buyers. During these events, Poshmark covers the cost of reduced shipping for all users who have liked the item. So you want to wait for alerts. Poshmark typically announces CCO events 24 to 48 hours in advance via app notifications or email, so make sure you enable the notification. Now, events frequently happen mainly on Fridays and Sundays. Then go to the listing you want to mark down. So this way you want to go to this and then you want to like the item here. Then you can tap on edit listing price, manage price drop option, and then edit listing price. Use the calculator tool to select a 10% drop if you are a seller, if you want to drop the price. Now as a buyer, you'll simply have able to head into it and make the purchase. So hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe.